Welcome to 7614 Duval Street. This home is located in Navarre, Florida, in the community of Holley by the Sea. If you're not familiar with Holley by the Sea, it has some wonderful amenities. It does have a community room, a community gym, as well as a pool, picnic areas, deeded water access, tennis courts, playgrounds. There's just so many wonderful things that this community has to offer here in Holley by the Sea. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. It's almost 2,600 square feet. Brick exterior. We have 2 keyless entries, one on the front door, one on the back door. We have solar exterior cameras with a wonderful storm door on the front door here, allowing for lots of natural light to come in. So coming in here, we have freshly cleaned tile that's been steamed with a formal dining room here on the right-hand side. Very spacious with lots of natural light. We have some dividers here, giving for a little bit of privacy and separation of the dining space. Flowing very nicely into the main living area, we do have some built-in cabinetry, vaulted ceilings, giving for a nice spacious feel, as well as a gas fireplace that is operable by remote control. Just off the main living area here, we have, you can see they're utilizing this as an office space, and we have some built-ins here as well. This is the 4th bedroom, as it does have a closet. Straight down the hall here, we do have a convenient half bath for guests. We have a really nice countertop here, a nice beachy Corian countertop. Just love that feature with some additional storage above. These 2 bedrooms over here do connect with the Jack and Jill bathroom, and we have new carpet in all of the bedrooms here. So freshly cleaned grout, as well as new carpet in bedrooms, and ceiling fans in all the bedrooms as well. Fresh paint throughout. And here you can see we have the Jack and Jill with a shower tub combo over here. Little separation with the door here in between, which flows into our 3rd bedroom, which is located on the front side of the house here. Beautiful tile throughout the main living area. First, I want to take you over to the kitchen and give you a peek at that. Very spacious kitchen, great for entertaining. As you can see, we have a nice size island. Just a ton of storage and cabinet space in this kitchen. We have some additional storage here just off the breakfast nook. We have a gas cooktop here, as well as a refrigerator with an ice and water dispenser, built-in microwave, and granite countertops with a garbage disposal. We also have on our left side here, we have a double-wide pantry with solid wood shelvings built inside, as well as right in front of us on the left, we do have an additional storage space as well as a convenient built-in desk area right here. So very spacious, functional kitchen, which flows nicely here into the laundry room with some nice cabinets in here instead of just, the wire shelving. We have some beautiful cabinets in here. This door does also lead you out back. As you can see, we do have a keyless entry on this door, but I wanted to take you out through the screened enclosed patio first. So we have a split floor plan here. You have a little bit more privacy here for the master bedroom on the back side of the house down the hall. Very spacious master bedroom here with some double tray ceilings. This is a very large master. You have room for an additional seating area, or if you needed to fit a desk in here for home office, or maybe a Peloton or elliptical, you have plenty of room for that. And as you can see, we have 2 sliders here that open right up to the screened enclosed patio. We do have a 3-tier off the living room that opens to the screened enclosed patio as well. Into the master bathroom, we have dual closets, so lots of storage space, a jetted tub, and a double vanity with a linen closet. and a separate walk-in shower over here. So just a really nice setup over here, very spacious, almost at 2,600 square feet here. I wanted to take you out through the sliders here, over into the screen enclosed patio. All right. So there are 3 dog doors here, 2 leading from the screen enclosed patio and 1 from the laundry room. We do have a ceiling fan out here as well, and on the cupboard we have 2 ceiling fans. So you have your option. This was a new addition added on with the cupboard. So you have a screen enclosed and a cupboard, which is just great for entertaining. There's so much room back here. We have a very large corner lot. It also has a yard building. You'll have to take a look at that in pictures. It has a little work being done to it right now. It is climate controlled. It also is metal siding and metal roof. So no worry about wood rot there. And it also is large enough to get a car under there. So it's like a carport. If you had a special car you wanted to work on, you have that space as well. So again, just a really large corner lot here with some shade provided by these wonderful tall pine trees in the backyard. We do have a separated area with the gates. They're great for dog kennels, or if you wanted to keep your kids in a smaller portion of the backyard. As you can see right over here on this side, you have that option if you wanted to keep an eye on them from the kitchen area. All right, I'm going to take you back in and give you one last peek at the main living area and kitchen. Just lots of living space in here, very spacious. Again, fresh paint throughout, as well as the trim, freshly cleaned grout, and new carpet in all the bedrooms. So if you have anybody who'd like to see it, or you'd like to set up a private showing, we would love to do that for you. Again, this is 7614 Duval Street in Navarre, Florida, located in the community of Holley by the Sea.